Hey Queen Bee, quick question. Are people finding your product on Amazon and actually buying it, or are they leaving and buying from someone else? My name is Zanny. I'm a business development representative from my Amazon guy, and I'm looking at your listing right now, and I notice a few small things that could be stopping you from getting more sales. Well, I'm here for a solution. So, this is a tool that we use to look at keywords. So, we usually like to see a 1 to 2 ratio of paid to organic keywords, and we call that the 1 to 2 golden keyword ratio. And as I'm seeing here from your keyword distribution, you aren't really running any ads, so this means you're likely leaving money on the table. We run more than 300 PPC accounts and find it's a good idea to always run ads, and it can be done so profitably. So your organic keywords can be improved. If you check this out right here, this is your word cloud, and these are the most important keywords for your listing. There are thousands of additional keywords you can index for, and organic keywords help you get seen on Amazon without paying for ads. Now, if we scroll down right here, so these are your keyword phrases. So I arranged them from being the highly searched to the lowest. So you're going to notice we're not really ranking for most of these right here. So we're not ranking for most of the keywords. So this is a huge missed opportunity. Now imagine how much sales could grow if customers could actually find your product using these terms. You're also going to notice we're ranking organically for some of these words, which is good, but we're not really running any ads on it. So ranking in the double or triple digits organically means your product is very deep in search results, so customers might never see it. So by bidding on these relevant keywords right here, you can increase your visibility and even improve your organic ranking over time. Now let's take a look at what shows up in the search result. So just to give you an idea of how big your category is, just looking at the top 50 listings for a single keyword, you're already seeing around $34 million in monthly revenue. So this tells me there's still a lot of market share we can tap into here. So what we do is we help you capture more of that through SEO by improving your rankings, increasing your click-through rate, and boosting your conversion rate. That way, you're not just getting traffic, you're actually turning it into revenue. Now let's take a look at one of your competitions right here. So we're not here to directly compare these two products because obviously they're different, but we're here to see what strategies we can learn and apply. So the Ordinary, of course, they're a popular brand. They're ranking for a lot more keywords than you. So more keywords means more exposure. More exposure means more sales. And if you see here for the past 30 days, they have sold a ton of units and we're down to 26. So that is a big gap, but also a big gap for your product right here. A big potential, sorry. So we can help you close that gap with a keyword gap analysis. Basically, we find the high volume keywords your competitors are using and add them to your listings. So when we do this, we usually look at least 10 competitors, then focus on the keywords most of them rank for in the top 10 with the highest impressions. So doing this gets your product indexed for more searches and in front of more potential customers. Now, here's some places we can put some keywords in. On the title, we can put up to 200 characters filled with SEO. Right here, we can definitely add more product images, and a product video would be great. So one, two, three, four, five. We do have 5 bullet points, but on each bullet, we need to flesh out more keywords. So 250 to 500 character per bullet. And we like to joke, but it's true that photos are for humans and that text is for robots. So using this framework will completely change how you build your listing. Now, speaking of images, let's see if you have any A plus content. Okay, we don't really have any A plus content. So I'm going to show you an example of one. So this is Age of Sage. Now, there are a few ways to improve traffic and sales through A plus content. So this is theirs. Now you can add around 500 words of copy. So you can use this space to explain your product, its benefits, and also your brand. Now this helps Amazon index your listing for more keywords and gives the customers the information they need to buy. Now this is a product grid. So if your A plus content doesn't have one, you're missing out on cross-selling opportunities. So a product grid lets you showcase other items in your catalog, which can increase your average order value and encourage customers to buy more products at once. So here in my Amazon guy, we help Amazon brands grow fast and profitably. Right now, we manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly ad spend, generating over $1.2 billion in revenue. So if you're losing rank, overspending on ads, or just not scaling the way you should, We fix that with data driven strategies across PPC, SEO, and your entire catalog. Now, if you found this video helpful, please click the link below this video to speak directly with an Amazon expert to grow your sales on Amazon.